Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop receiving unknown numbers message and video calls on WhatsApp. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your WhatsApp application, and then if you want to stop receiving unknown calls, all you need to do is to click on the settings button at the bottom right. Here it is. Then in this list of options, you need to click on the privacy button right up here. And then you will see different options. All you need to do is to first of all click on the, for example, profile photo, and then choose nobody or my contacts, and then only your contacts will be able to see your profile photo. You can click on the about section and then choose my contacts here, so only your contacts will be able to see your about section. And then the most important thing here is calls option. Here it is. Then in this interface you need to enable this one option, silence unknown callers. So after that, calls from unknown numbers will be automatically silenced. You will still be able to see these calls in your calls section at the bottom left corner, but these calls will be silenced. So then if you received a strange call from unknown number, you can go to the chat with him. Here it is. And then in the middle of a screen there is two different options, block and add. All you need to do to stop receiving calls from this one person is to click on the block button, then block again, and then after blocking, this person won't be able to call you. So actually that's all, and that's how to stop receiving unknown numbers message and video calls on WhatsApp. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.